Hairstyle again, it's Megan Luna. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do 3 easy hairstyles using a bandana or a handkerchief, whatever you want to call it. I think these styles would be super cute for summer. I'm going to start by using a no-tear hair elastic and throw my hair up into a messy ponytail. And I'm going to adjust it, place it where I want the bun to sit on my head, and pull out these pieces by my ears. And then I'm going to put my hair into a top knot. And I'm going to bobby pin in any loose pieces. Don't worry about it too much because you're going to be taking your bandana and wrapping it around those pieces anyways. Tie it once at the front, and then I'm going to take it and tie it again at the back. And I'm going to put the ends underneath because I don't want them sticking out. And then from there you can just tuck in any pieces of hair that you want to adjust. And that is the finished messy bun look with the bandana wrap. So for this next style, I'm going to start by throwing my hair up into a kind of middle of the head ponytail. And I'm going to use a no-tear hair elastic again because those are just the best things to use on your hair when pulling it into a tighter ponytail. Then I'm going to take my bandana, wrap it around. I like to make sure it's pretty even. And I'm only going to wrap it once this time, but adjust it to try to make it hang closer to my ponytail. And you can either leave it just as a ponytail, or you can do what I'm doing, and that is adding a 3-strand braid to the style. And I'm going to be teasing at the top of the ponytail to add some texture. You could also use texture spray for this. And then I'm going to split my hair into 3 sections and start on my 3-strand braid. And then I'm going to stop about halfway down to pull apart the braid and add some volume to the top of it. And then just finish off the braid. And I'm going to tie it with a little clear elastic. And then that is the finished look. And just pull it apart a little more for some more volume. So for this last style, I'm going to take all of the hair by the front of my face, and I'm going to use a small clear elastic and tie it together at the back of my head. Then I'm going to flip the hair through and pull the twists apart a little bit and then tighten it so it's not too loose. Then I'm going to take 2 new strands of hair from each side and pull them kind of off to the side and tie them together with another clear elastic. And then pull that hair through, pull it apart, and tighten it. Then I'm going to do the same exact thing, take hair from each side, and I'm going to pull it off to the opposite side, tie it together with another clear elastic, and then flip it through, pull it apart, and tighten it again. And then I'm just going through and adjusting it because I like each of those pieces to be really close together. So then I'm going to take my bandana and wrap it around the loose ends of my hair. And adjust it so it's hanging next to the loose ends of my hair. And that is the finished look. So that's all 3 hairstyles that I am showing you today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you did, I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. Bye.